Last September la ஒரு plan release பண்ணி many of the students followed that plan. So many students are asking me October plan. Ma'am, please give us October plan. So in the video la students, I am going to give you the October plan. So this October plan has a little difference compared. What is the difference வந்த இந்த வீடியோல class 11 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் class 12 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் partial droppersக்கும் droppersக்கும் வந்து separate ஆன plan இருக்கும். So அதனால ஒரே ஒரு வீடியோ இருக்கும் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். That's it. I'm not going to make 10 videos. ஒரே ஒரு வீடியோல எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் கேட்டர் பண்ணி தான் இந்த வீடியோ பிளான் பண்ணிருக்கு. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel because this channel is made for all our Tamil pasangla. So please do subscribe to We Need Tamil Nadu. Second thing, quickly hit the like button and click on the bell icon so you're not going to miss out on any of the videos, because if you go through this channel, every video is so useful for all of you. So let's directly get into October's plan. Now we will start with the droppers plan. Now droppers plan can be followed by class 12th student also. Ma'am, why exactly or what is the thing? I'll tell you, but there are certain tweakings or modifications that you people have to do. So now before I get into the droppers plan, let me tell you, as droppers, if you're watching this, you should know that you are in advantage of three main things. What is that? First thing, you have a lot of time. You have an entire day without any other stress of college assignment or any other classes or attendance or any other problem. So you have a lot of time. So if I am telling you as a dropper, you need to invest on 6 to 7 hours of study time, proper, not distracted study time. That means you have to do that, students. So next one, the no distractions. நிமக்கு வந்து college assignment, friendship, party, freshers day, that, this program எதுவுமே கிடையாது. Only goal is NEET. So அதனால தான் you have to take advantage of all the things that you have. Okay. Next, students, no college. Big point is not having college. So since you don't have college, you have a lot of time to invest. So for you, I have given multiple chapters. Okay, more chapters I've given for the dropper students compared to the class 11th and class 12th students. Now, look here. In class 11th, you have to start with Cell the Unit of Life. I am assuming that you have already studied biological classification, living world, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. Let's say you have not studied plant kingdom, animal kingdom also. I have a plan for you. So Cell the Unit of Life, cell cycle and cell division. Cell cycle and cell division is a 1 hour chapter. That means you need only 1 hour to study that chapter because it is very simple. Meiosis, mitosis, all the phases. That's it. Okay. But Cell the Unit of Life, it is little more in depth. So you will require more time for it. Then students, then you can choose plant kingdom. Why have I put plant kingdom in green color? Because I am going to do one shot video for plant kingdom. So wherever I have highlighted green color, that means those are the chapters that I will do this month of biology. Not just this month, maybe in this week itself I'll complete those chapters. So if you are following me consistently on this channel, then there is a high chance that we will complete many more chapters of biology than actually planned. Okay. Then students, physics, thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics, chemistry, hydrocarbons. So this is your target of class 11th, assuming that you're dedicating at least 6 hours every single day without any distractions. Okay. Then coming to class 12 students, sexual reproduction and flowering plan already completed in the channel. 3 parts it is divided into: lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3. Later we will do a one shot video, so you can check out that as well. Then human reproduction, I will be doing a one shot lecture. Now I know droppers really like to have live classes, but keeping class 12 student in mind, I am going to do one shot recorded means it is going to come under the video session. You can watch it at your own pace. You want to watch it at 2x, you watch it at 2x. You want to watch it at 1x, you watch it at 1x. All these notes will be shared on We Need Tamil Nadu Telegram channel. DPPs of human reproduction also will be shared, and I will also tell you how we are going to help you. Okay, so students, this video is going to be a gold mine video because I will tell you how much I am going to help you in this October. Okay. Reproductive health also we can take it on a long run, but let's keep first week plan. I will be doing plant kingdom, human reproduction, and sexual reproduction is already done. So 3 chapters from this channel itself you are going to learn detailed lectures for NEET and class 12 students. So I want class 12 students also to follow this, okay? Because if you are planning for next year a drop also, this timetable is going to work very well for you. Let's say you are planning, no ma'am, with class 12 I will crack NEET, then you have to stick to this timetable at any cost. See, these chapters chapters you will never have tension because you have already studied it in college, right? Only these chapters you will need additional help. That I will do for all of you, okay? And physics and chemistry also, as I told you, as 10K is getting closer, you will notice that new teachers are going to come to the channel. Physics and chemistry teachers are already lined up. We are just waiting for their entry, okay? Then students, physics, electric charges and fields, current, electricity, very high weightage chapters. You cannot skip these chapters at any cost. So you have to do this. Again, for the 12 students, this entire column is going to be super duper easy because you're already doing it in college. And chemistry, solid state and solutions. Okay, these two chapters. So class 12 students, please listen that whatever you're doing in college, you have to do the PYQ practice of that. Then only you are going to be at par. So class 12 students can follow the same droppers plan because these chapters are very fundamental chapters, very important chapters. So these chapters also you can do whenever you're getting a Saturday or a Sunday or some vacations or some holidays if you're getting. Again, Diwali holidays will come. So those times you can utilize for covering these topics. Okay. Now moving forward, see students, exactly how many chapters I have put for you. I have put around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 chapters I have kept in a span of 24 days. Assuming that today the video you are watching, so you have next 24 days. So how you are going to divide it? If you are a dropper, this is how you are going to divide. You are going to select first 2 days. That means in one day you can complete at least 1.5 chapter types we keep. So chapter 1 you are going to complete where the difficulty, that means you are going to keep the chapter, you are going to choose the easy chapter. You are going to read, solve the MCQs. Okay. Then 3, 4, that is the next 3 days you will do chapter 2. 5, 6, chapter 3, 7th day you will do chapter 4, 8th and 9th day chapter 5. So whenever I have chosen one day, can you see 7, 12? That means you are going to take a chapter that is easy. Can you see? Wherever difficult is coming, we are going to give you one whole longer time, 2 days of time. Like that, I have divided the entire set of chapters, how you should do theory, how you should read, how many MCQs to do, everything into 24 days plan. So when I'm sharing this PDF with you, you can go through it. That ma'am has divided. See, on the 17th day, I am asking you to choose an easy chapter from physics, chemistry or biology, which you're going to complete that day itself. So for class 12 students as well, this plan is going to be very applicable because I have given you 2 days to complete one chapter, which is difficult. So that means you keep assume that, okay, one easy chapter, one difficult chapter I'm doing. Like that. You are going to take 24 days to complete this whole 13 chapters. And imagine students, 13 chapters, it's going to be almost 150, 160 marks in 1 month, which is awesome for all of you. And on the last day, that is on the 23rd and 24th, I've just kept revision and backlog. Maybe some concept you did not understand, some more PYQs you want to solve, you can do that, okay? So when I share this plan, I want all of you to stick to this plan. Now coming to your class 11th plan. See, main problem you people have is less time and college. Again, going to be applicable for 12th standard students as well. Time is very less and you have a lot of college assignments and college work. Now, how you are going to cater? So, I have divided your syllabus, half of it. That means, I have mainly asked you to focus in the second week, starting from 8th to 14th. You are going to do morphology of flowering plants, laws of motion, periodic classification of elements, and from 15th to 21st, photosynthesis in higher plants, work, power and energy, chemical bonding. Now, you notice that I have asked you to select only 3 chapters. That means 6 chapters whole in 2 weeks from class 11 because these are the topics that you have already completed in your college. So you just have to do practice questions of that. So if you're doing practice questions of these, then you can select any 2 chapters of biology from class 12, any 2 chapters of physics, any 2 chapters of chemistry. Ma'am, why have you given us 2 chapters of 12? Because students, as a class 11 students, I know that you will be thorough in your 11 syllabus, but majority of the high weighted chapters are in class 12. So you have to pick any 2 chapters because I am assuming that you know the content of these chapters and you're only going to solve PYQs and maybe do like little touch up of it. Okay, புரிஞ்சுதா? So இது வந்து complete time you shouldn't be studying these chapters. But Anna, in the chapters you should stress more because high weighted chapters are going to be majority in class 12. So now class 12 students also can follow this. Select one chapter of your class 12, 6 chapters in 2 weeks and select 2 chapters of your class 11. Like very easy chapters. You can finish animal kingdom and plant kingdom together because I'll be giving you one short video. Like that you can do. So how you adjust this October plan is in your hand. That is important for all of you, okay? Now students, what you are supposed to do in Saturday and Sunday, that is your weekdays, weekends, you have to do mixed PYQ practice plus error log update. Error book video, if you haven't seen yet, please go and watch it. It is under the live sessions. Error book is one of the most important videos for your class, for your NEET preparation. So what you will do on Saturday, you will do practice of MCQs, that is you are going to mix all the chapters. Let's say 13 chapters for droppers, 6 chapters for class 11 students, 6 chapters of class 12. Like that, you're going to do a mix of it, and then you're going to start feeding your error book that I am making this kind of mistakes. And then on Sunday, students, you give a small mock test. Small mock test for just class, select 6 chapters, select 12 chapters, give a mock test. Be it in book format, or be it if you're part of any coaching center, if you're part of our batches also, prime batches also, you have option to create your own test. So you can customize those tests and make it, okay? And again, you will fill in your error book because you did a mock test. So adu vandu continuation la log panana romba mukkiyam thane. So then, or you can write, you are going through your formula sheet. All that you can do it on the Sunday. Sunday should be a day where you refresh, at the same time you're doing the most important task like error book filling, solving few questions of mock paper level. That is important for all of you. Now students, look here. Error tracker. So if you haven't watched this video yet, please go and watch it. It is under the live sessions. I know seeing 33 minutes you will get a shock, but please watch it at 2x. I have told every single way to make the question, okay? How to make your error book properly. I have made this kind of video you are not going to find because many people will copy it now, but this video is the most authentic video that you can utilize, okay? Log 5 mistakes weekly with correction, that also I have told you. Now formula wall. I told you every single chapter make a formula sheet and stick it to your wall every single night before sleep. Go through all the formula sheet. If you don't want to stick it, make a book of entire formula sheet and just revise it. It's very important. Then flow chart. For biology mechanism, especially from human physiology, you have to write down all the mechanism in a small piece of paper, and then also organic reaction maps. These kind of things you have to utilize. We will share as much as free content on the Telegram channel so you can utilize it. Now students, how We Need Tamil Nadu is going to help you, because every time I give a plan, that is a different story. How I am going to help you is important part. See, I am going to start my one-shot lectures from tomorrow, where I will be giving the recorded one-shot lectures. So at your own pace, at your own time, at the night or whatever daytime, you can watch it at your own speed. After that, the next day, let's assume day 1, I did one shot of human reproduction. Day 2, you will get PYQ practice on this channel. I am telling you, I have selected AIMS level, AIPMT level, NEET level, then NCERT line by line, easy questions. I will be selecting very good 20, 30, 40 questions from that chapter the next day. Assuming that I'm giving you one day to learn the chapter properly, and next day we will have a PYQ practice, and after the PYQ practice, on the same day, I will be sharing you one Word document of 15 questions of DPP, which are actually fill in the blanks kind of a question, which are from lines of NCERT. So students, when I told you that I started this channel, I told you that I am going to be there in every single part of your day. And students, this kind of a continuation if you follow, I am sure biology will be sorted on a long run, physics and chemistry also will be sorted. So I want all of you to have that trust. I want all of you to agree, yes ma'am, we are going to be there with you, because if you do not hold my hands, if you're not going to help me, if you're not going to tell me in the comments that we are with you, I do not know which kind of students or who are going to be helped from this. So listen to me once again. Day 1, I will post a one-shot video. Day 2, you will get a PYQ practice of it. Live class, you will be solving with me. And then immediately after the class, you are going to get the PYQ PDF. And also you are going to get a 15 DPP question. If you have iPad or let's say tab, you can open the PDF and write the answers there, and your score you can let me know in the comment section. So if you are going to be in this loop, trust me, you are going to succeed. You are going to succeed. You are a class 12, you are a partial dropper, you are a dropper, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Partial dropper students also, please stick to class 11th and class 12th, because I know you also have a lot of college work. After that, you will have less time. So that 2 to 3 hours you are dedicating, you try to learn a chapter. Whatever you already remember, solve PYQ questions and make that topic more, conceptual. Now students, these are the two links that you have to stick to. First is our We Need Tamil Nadu Telegram channel, because the DPPs are going to be updated there. So every Saturday and Sunday, I will sit and make DPPs for you people as much as possible. I'm trying to make time for everything, because it's not easy to record one shot videos. It is not easy to make notes for it. So I have to do everything. So how much you're working, I'm also working so much for you. See, it does not matter. If my work does not turn into your results, then there is no point of it. So I want all of you to stay tuned, subscribe, and also subscribe to this channel, that is Abhinit Tamil Nadu channel, and follow this Telegram channel. It will not cost you anything to just hit the follow button on a Telegram channel. Whatever content I post is going to come beneficial for you. I'll also add snips of other different books as well, so that you go through different books, flowcharts and everything. Maximum I'll include in my notes itself. In case I miss out on something, I'll be sharing it on Telegram channel. So this is the October plan, students. If you're with me for this entire journey, then please put yes ma'am, we are with you. And I want to see how many of you are really dedicated in the comment section, because you asked me for October plan. I came up with October plan, but I am also going to be there with you in this October. I am going to make sure that maximum chapters of biology is completed in the month of October. Doesn't matter if it is low weightage, high weightage, doesn't matter. PYQ practice, one-shot videos, DPPs will be done and sorted. And your job is to do this every single day. If you are ready for it, please put I am ready or yes, we are with you in the comment section. And that's the win-win for us students. So let's do it together. Let's dream it and let's achieve it. Thank you so much for joining. All of you, take care, Kanna. Don't worry about anything. We are all with you. But let's do it, okay? We have to be consistent. Every single day we have to come. Right, that is important. Okay, just do that one thing. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.